I totally forgot to film an intro, so you caught me here in the middle of putting on my contacts for this magician makeup tutorial. But let's get to it, shall we? I'm starting off with the Prime Setting Spray from Charlotte Russe to prep my skin. Going straight to my eyes, I'm applying a warm brown eyeshadow shade to the crease of my lids. Then I'm going back in with a darker brown shade to intensify the smoky crease. I'm also applying the same shades to my lower lash line as well. Here is a great trick for creating a cut crease. Apply concealer to the center of your lids and then look up. Your lids will automatically create the perfect line for your cut crease. Then all you have to do is go back in with a small flat brush to blend it out and touch it up. It's magic, guys. I love it. Right over the concealer, I'm applying a coppery gold eyeshadow. And in the inner corner of my eye, I'm applying a shimmery champagne color. To intensify the smoky eye, I'm going back into the outer V corner and blending in black eyeshadow. To bring shape to my eyes, I'm lining my top and bottom lash line. Now I'm ready for some lashes. I use my Charlotte Russe's Lashes at Length mascara to blend my natural lashes into my falsies, and I'm also applying this to my bottom lashes as well. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to color correct, conceal, and apply my foundation as usual. Because I want this look to be more dark and sharp, I'm actually going to add some heavy contouring with a contour stick and then buff it all in with a brush. To set everything in place, I'm applying my Universal Mattifying Pressed Powder from Charlotte Russe. For my brows, I'm going dark and sharp as well, making sure my edges are sharp with stronger angles. To finish off my face, I'm applying a light amount of warm blush. For my lips, I'm first going in with the Charlotte Russe Velvet Lip Dip in color Soulmate. And right over that, I'm using my Charlotte Russe's Balm Babe Lip Balm in the shade Bite for a more warm, plummy shade. Here is what the final makeup looks like, but as of course, I always like to take it up a bit of a notch. And one simple, easy way to do this is by adding some rhinestones. For this look, I'm going to keep it simple and add a few rhinestones along the wings of my eyes. And here's what it looks like. Now for the rest of our outfit. Of course, this magician look wouldn't be complete without a magician's hat, so I found one on Amazon. I also found this really cute bow tie with gold accented wings on it from Amazon. This black and white striped kimono is from Charlotte Russe, and I paired it with this mesh jumpsuit that's also from Charlotte Russe. And of course, we cannot forget the boots. These badass magician shoes are from Charlotte Russe as well. And this is our complete and final magician look. Let me know your thoughts below. So far, this is 2 out of the 3 easy to do costume looks that I've partnered up with Charlotte Russe to bring to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And of course, as always, remember that you're absolutely beautiful, and until next time, bye. Mwah.